Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the arrow key here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, scroll to the bottom, and here you have set volume key as. So you can set it to shutter or to zoom. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see right now with volume buttons, I can zoom in or zoom out. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.